5 Best Above Ground Pool Robotic Cleaner Reviews. Number 1. Dolphin Nautilus Pool Cleaner. Looking for a high-quality robotic pool cleaner that can help you to clean an overly dirty pool before your friends coming over to the house? Dolphin Nautilus is an innovative pool cleaner that can do heavy-duty cleaning of the pool wall and floor. The dual filter cartridges that come with it are quite easy to clean as well. Also, this pool cleaner has a 1-year warranty. Sounds cool, right? It comes with the Clever Clean technology, which helps to scan the pool and also effectively clean the pool by using the advanced algorithms. Number 2. Pentair Creepy Crawly. The Pentair K50600 Creepy Crawly Pool Cleaner is another great pool cleaner that has made a lot of buzzes recently. Pentair is a well-established brand which already has a good amount of customer due to the quality it provides. They have providing so many pool cleaners, but this cleaner is more innovative in features. It can be perfectly used in the pool even if peoples are swimming. More importantly, it matches the criteria we have mentioned in earlier buying, as it has a quite durable and dish-shaped brush which is suitable for cleaning. Number 3. Aquabota Pentair Pool Rover. If you are looking for a pool cleaner that is within the range of $500, then Aquabota Pentair is a recommend one. It has got some excellent features and quite affordable compared to other robotic cleaners which will cost you near $1,000. It is a lightweight item as most of its parts are made of plastic, but it's quite durable and sturdy too. The most significant advantage of using this pool cleaner is, it just takes 2 hours to clean. Even though it doesn't cost a crazy amount of money like other robotic cleaners, it still has some of the best features. Like it has 4 wheels that are extra wide for riding the walls and gives every corner of the pool a thorough cleaning. Number 4. Zodiac Ranger Suction Side. Here is another cleaner in our list that's made of a single part. It is very effective at cleaning dirt and debris out of above-ground pools. To add more, it is one of the quietest automatic cleaners you will find in the market right now. Its simplicity of use with ease of maintenance will let the pool owner retain their peace of mind while cleaning out a massive amount of dirt and junks. It's designed with maximum optimization of cleaning to the very end and every type of dirt. Be it trash leaves or pebbles or dead bugs that might be clogging your pool, it's up for the game. Also, it's designed to avoid getting stuck into the pool's ladder, so you don't have to wait by the side either while it's cleaning. Number 5. Hayward 900 Wanda. Wanda is one of the most famous brands known for its superior quality pool cleaners. Hayward 900 Wanda the Whale is a one-of-a-kind cleaner for the above-the-ground pools with an adorable design. It's one of the easiest robotic cleaner in terms of installation and it takes just 10 minutes or less than it to set it up. It comes with a 32-feet hose, and you won't feel any sudden jerks or vibration at all while using it. Smart Drive cleaning system is something that can be truly considered as groundbreaking.